From Junior Secondary School First. From our research project with farm record, we discovered that most of the process that which farmers use in the planting method is less stressful than the harvesting and storing method, whereby they use a manual method which is the art of using mortar in the removal or the separation of seed from their grains. This which time, energy, and money consuming. Time, energy, and money consuming we are talking about are the high cost of production, the high cost of damaged corn, the high cost of transportation, the high cost of renting labor, the high cost of importing foreign goods. We, the student of Junior Secondary School Pastry, came out with a research project titled the Multipurpose Grain Threshing Machine. This machine helps in the separation or the removals of corn seed from its cobs or kernels.
Threshing process of cereal crops such as maize, rice, guinea corn may be accomplished mechanically using a stationary threshing machine or combined harvester. Stationary threshing machine is preferable over the combined harvester for economic reasons. Also, the stationary threshing machine helps in the accumulation of straws, which are important for other uses. Considering the climatic distribution of Nigeria as a whole and the poor education of farmers, a locally fabricated machine has been designed and tested with sodium and maize. The machine is titled the Multipurpose Grain Threshing Machine.
Our project is on the enhancement, the sustaining national economic growth through science and technology and education. That is, it also talk about the enhancement of growth of the corn. Where can we use corn? We can use corn for cooking. It serves as food for man. It serves as food for livestock.
Now we need to know the scarcity of corn. What will this result to? If the scarcity of corn, agricultural produce will reduce, and the less corn they get, it will be sold at high produce. That is going to increase the cost of production.
Before we know how the machine works, we need to know the safety measures of the machine. First, ensure there's adequate fuel in the fuel tank. Ensure there's no dirt in the filter hole. Ensure the air extractor is functioning very well.
And also ensure that the filter unit is not blocked. And also ensure that the engine oil is good so that the machine will not stop when it's working. And when you get your how does this machine work? When you get your corn, you dry your corn properly. You remove every particles and then inside the corn. Then you put your corn inside the filtration unit. And when inside, you put your corn inside the crushing chamber. When the crushing chamber, the hammer inside the crushing chamber. And the hammer there helps us to remove the corn from its stem, and it comes down to the filtration unit. And this filtration unit, you have the big net and the small net. And the small net is the big net allows the passage of the corn and the chaff, while the small net allows only the passage of the corn, and the chaff is being blown away through the air extractor, and it comes down to the storage unit. Then the corn can be stored by bagging or any material suitable for storage.
What are the scientific principles of this machine? We have the law of collation. In the law of collation, we have the gas law, the Boyle's law, and the Charles law. This takes place in the crushing chamber. We use the law of friction. This takes place in the drive and the driven. We have the law of vibration. This takes place in the filtration unit, whereby it allows the corn particles to pass through the net.
Now we need to know the advantages of the machine. The machine is locally fabricated. The machine threshes about 200 kg of corn within an hour. The machine helps in the separation of grains from their chaff. It helps to serve as employment, serve as source of income.
Application of this machine. It can be used to separate the corn seeds from their cobs. It can also be used to separate corn seeds from their chaff. It can also be used to separate groundnut seeds from their chaff and also cashew seeds from their chaff.
Some of the challenges of this machine, while using this machine, is when the corn is not properly dried, when the corn is being affected by pests or insects. It can also reduce the quality of the corn. When there is any cob blocking the filter unit, it also affects the way the machine works. Now we need to know how to maintain the machine. Paint the machine once or twice in a year.
Apply engine oil to the machine.
If the machine is not in use, keep the machine at cover in order to avoid dust accumulation. Therefore, we, the students of Junior Secondary School Phase 3, has helped the economy of this country by producing this machine titled the Multipurpose Grain Threshing Machine. If the government can come into this and gives a mass distribution both government and farmers.
Thank you for listening and asking me.
We want to thank the Almighty God for letting us finish this project titled the Multipurpose Green Threshing Machine. We want to thank my teammates and also our teacher, Mr. Jumbo Eneoko. We want to also thank our principal for her monthly advice and support her funding and also helping. And also we thank the Universal Board, Basic Education Board, FCT, UBEB. We thank them for their support, their cooperation. May the Lord bless them. Thank you.